Cristiano Ronaldo was born on the 5th of February 1985 in Madeira, Portugal, into a humble family. Despite financial hardships, young Ronaldo dreamed big and found joy in football. As a child, he often played with improvised balls and kicked anything he could in the streets. His dedication led him to Sporting CP, where he left home at just 12 years old to train in Lisbon. The transition was tough. He faced homesickness and a rare heart condition that almost ended his career at age 15. Yet, his relentless spirit pushed him forward. He recovered from surgery and returned even stronger. By 18, he signed with Manchester United, winning trophies and global fame. Later, with Real Madrid and Juventus, Ronaldo broke records and earned 5 Ballon d'Or awards. He also led Portugal to a European Championship win in 2016. Today, Ronaldo's story inspires millions, proving that with hard work, sacrifice, and unbreakable will, anyone can rise above challenges.